of welding. Some of the critical things with ocean, like the ocean's, I don't know, 500 meters away, maybe a little bit further, is the corrosiveness of everything. With things down the beach, obviously, they don't last as long, they're not protected properly, they're not maintained. Just adds the elements add a lot more, maybe it's maintenance, this sort of stuff. So, the idea with the gal, we've got to make sure we grind it all back. One way I've done it, but essentially what we do is we grind this back with a flappy disc, so we can scratch the gal off the top, because obviously you a gal post. And then essentially what we're doing is welding all these brackets in as per what the engineer's done. We drill our holes, get all these in. So one of the things we would do now, I've almost finished welding all these last little bits. I've had to stitch weld. We try and weld in separate spots. What happens is you don't get better. The theory is it's not supposed to get the post bend and all that sort of shit. So weld one bit, we'll go to the next post, weld another bit, and we'll sort of just keep circling around so that we don't have, try and minimize the amount of bending we have, because what happens if we put too much heat in this one section, what'll happen is the post will just have a big banana in it. So, we're trying to get all these fabbed up, because the idea, what we want to try and do is now like anything that's got splatter on, that's got bits of weld, any sharp edges, everything like that, it's all basically get sanded back, nice and neat, nice and clean. So essentially we're about to rub our hands over the top of this. And we're not going to have it. We're going to minimize the amount of issues in regards to rusting and corrosiveness and all that sort of stuff. So I'll show you, we've got some products that we put on these. We'll paint all these posts before they go on the concrete, making sure that obviously we've got a good couple of coats on before we do that. And then obviously we're going to scratch some of them, getting them in. But the main idea is that we can get a good coating in. Once the concrete's round, it's going to protect all that. We'll go more concrete up around that post as well. So I'll finish getting these welded, and then we'll move these to sort of the next section. One of the guys will start grinding all these up, prepping them all, wire brushing everything, cleaning them right up, and then we'll start getting our paint in. And then hopefully towards the end of the week, we can get all these in the concrete as well. So it's a bit of a mission. We've got a bit of a tight access on this one. So guys, a slight update, another one, but we've got to get through all this steel. We've got a couple of tonnage in there to get all this deck set up as well. And once all this is down the road, we'll get the insulated patio and stuff as well. But Catback's just digging holes in the back at the moment, so it's some farming, got about 50 metres of line in the box. So.